Guys, it's Janine. So today I'm going to cut my bangs. I'm really nervous, but I'm excited as well because I've had bangs before, but I just want them back. I kind of want like a new look. So I'm just gonna start off with spraying this part of my hair with some water. This is just an old leave-in spray for heat. So I'm just gonna start with parting my hair in the middle. I'm just gonna use this little clip. I've been wanting to do this, and I've been watching lots of YouTube videos. I've actually cut my hair before, my bangs before, so it's not like this is my first time, the first time that I'm doing this. I am doing it before I wash my hair. I do need to wash my hair. I don't know, I'm just too excited. Okay, so I need to start off with a triangle. So let's see. Just gotta start little by little because it's better to have to add more hair than, you know, the opposite. Okay. I have it ready. I don't know if I should actually do this. I think I might have to put more hair because my hair is kind of thin. So let's just see how this goes. So I just did the little twisty thingy that people do. I haven't really tried this method before, but I'm trying it out for the first time. And I'm really nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I don't know if I should do this. I'm having like anxiety right now. I should just do it. It'll grow back. Like right here, maybe? I'm gonna do it right here. Holy cow, what am I doing? Okay. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I hope I didn't cut them too short. Okay. Okay. This doesn't look that bad. Oh my gosh. It looks kind of funny, to be honest. Oh my gosh, you guys. How do I look? I just need to cut them just a little bit shorter because they are a little bit long. I actually really like them a lot. Okay, I'm getting really excited. I can't believe I just did this. This is too funny. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. Okay, so I just added some dry shampoo because they were kind of greasy. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more hair so I can make them look fuller.